kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know if it's a booty call or not. So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl was pretty? How did that girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short, and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Let me take a selfie.
Can you guys help me pick a filter? I don't know if I should go with X.
Oh, here we go! Miss D got the W! Miss D got the W. Everybody give Miss D a hand, give her a hand, give her a hand! Yeah! There you go, everything in there. Here we go, picture, photo op, photo op, photo op.
Let me take a selfie.
Here we go. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good, Christina. Good. There we go. There we go.
Selfie.
Let me take a selfie. Wait, pause. Jason just like